Put plastic bags on toilet seats. The results will surprise you. A simple bag can work wonders, making your toilet seat look brand new. If yellow stains appear, you don't need to replace the seat. There's an easy way to remove discoloration. Dirt accumulates in spots that are hard to clean with regular washing. Spray a cleaning solution generously, focusing on those tough-to-clean areas. Then, place plastic bags over the toilet seat, one on the top and one on the bottom. The bags keep the cleaner in place and prevent it from drying too quickly, allowing it to work longer and more effectively. Leave them for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the cleaner dissolves dirt and disinfects the surface. After removing the bags, you'll see the difference immediately. Your toilet seat looks like new, and stubborn stains are gone. This simple trick saves time and makes toilet cleaning much more effective. Laundry detergent in the toilet. This is a game changer. Have you ever had guests over and realized while cleaning that you're out of toilet cleaner? The stores are closed and you're out of your usual cleaner? Don't worry, we have a brilliant trick for you. I never thought of using laundry detergent this way until I stumbled upon this tip. Many times I struggled with cleaning without knowing about this trick. Thanks to the surfactants in the detergent, it effectively removes dirt and grime. Additionally, the water softeners in the detergent help remove limescale. All you need to do is sprinkle some laundry detergent around the toilet bowl. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the detergent to work its magic. Then grab a toilet brush and thoroughly scrub the bowl. This method will clean the toilet completely. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. I no longer use special toilet cleaners. I'm sure that once you try this trick, you won't go back to using them either. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day. Don't wipe the toilet seat with paper before using it. Many people, when entering a bathroom that isn't their own, do one thing before sitting down. They grab a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and wipe the seat. Some even dampen the paper with water first. They believe this ensures hygienic conditions. In reality, this is just an illusion and doesn't protect you from bacteria, especially in public restrooms. If you truly want to maintain hygiene, you need a more effective solution. Start by tearing off a piece of toilet paper, wet it under the faucet, and add a bit of liquid soap or sanitizer, which is usually available in most public restrooms. Use this mixture to thoroughly clean the seat, removing most bacteria. Then, take another piece of paper to dry the surface. Only then can you sit down without worrying about germs. Simply wiping the seat with dry or damp paper doesn't offer real protection. To ensure proper hygiene, this simple but effective method is your best option.
I open the tablet and toss it into the toilet. This trick is great. It's a shame that so few people know about it. If the bowl of your toilet is covered in limescale or has developed stains, this trick will work perfectly. Denture cleaning tablets have surprising properties. Just take one tablet and toss it into the toilet. Their active ingredients have whitening, disinfecting, and cleaning properties. They work wonders on cleaning ceramics. Leave it overnight and let it work. The foam that forms will kill bacteria and remove stains from the inside of the bowl. All you need to do is flush the water, and you're done. An additional benefit is the minty freshness that will permeate the entire bathroom.
Just laundry beads are enough. The bathroom will smell fresher than ever. I tried this method when we were expecting guests. I use laundry pearls regularly. I enjoy their scent. I add them to every wash. That's why I always have them on hand. I also regularly use them to make a homemade diffuser. In a small container, I mix them with baking soda and add a few drops of baby oil. Then I insert a few cloves on top. I place this diffuser in the bathroom. It looks classy and smells delightful. Everyone notices it. So why not use these pearls to freshen up the toilet? Can they replace an air freshener? They contain more fragrance ingredients than other laundry products. They gradually dissolve in water, releasing an intense scent. Even a small amount is enough to smell their aroma. And it's not about just throwing them into the toilet. There's a better way to use them to emit a pleasant scent. Take an empty hanger. The only thing to watch out for is that the hanger doesn't have too large holes. Fill it with scented pearls and close it. Hang it in the toilet and flush the water. After the first use, you'll feel it's a great idea. So next time you're expecting guests and run out of toilet freshener, grab some scented pearls. You can use them for as long as you want.